So, VRP belt wrap install. It's gonna go like this. You have a long bolt with a fat washer, longer bolt with a fatter washer right here. Goes against your double idler pulley. Let's leave this one hanging right here for now. Then you're gonna be removing your driver's side thermostat bolt and replace it with one that comes with the VRP kit. We screw this one in by hand. Then you have a 15 millimeter bolt. I'm gonna also add a washer there. Then you screw in here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and screw thermostat bolt in. Okay, that's not the correct size. Let's see. It's a hex something. No. Alright, that will do for now. Okay, nice and tight. Already holding it very firmly. You also have a 15 millimeter, which is the big boy here. Tighten it down by hand for now. Where is my wrench now? Here it is. Poking my eyes out. Nice and snug. Don't have to go crazy with it. Then in your kit, you have a spacer like this. That spacer goes in the back end. I like to have the C-clip in the front. The other spacer goes in the front, like this, through here. There we go. That's how we do it. Okay. You can tighten this one down now. 5/16 hex is what's gonna go there. I'm not gonna tighten it down too hard because I will be needing to remove and replace this double idler because this plastic pulley is broken. Anyway, I will be going with VRP 5-piece pulley set. Gonna have new idler pulley here, double here, and a few others. So that's how you install a belt wrap kit.